Gardening remains the world's most common outdoor activity, with over 90 million gardeners in the United States alone. And every last one of them has to deal with the dreaded weed in one way or another. Whether you're someone who uses herbicides, pesticides, or pulls them out on your hands and knees, they're inevitable and a nuisance. This weekend's new Tolu 2 is a wicked weeder that will rid your garden of obnoxious weeds without causing any harm to the environment or bees. We love the bees. We're talking about the Skidger, and it's a gardening tool for every gardener, landscaper, or groundskeeper, whether your garden is just a couple of ceramic pots or acres of cultivated land. The Skidger is the new modern solution to herbicide and pesticide-free weed control. It's got a unique heart-shaped patented design that includes an ultra-strong tempered steel blade that is permanently sharpened inside and out. By either pushing or pulling, the Skidger is fast and powerful at clearing unwanted weeds from flower beds, gardens, or any old area, and can be used between plants, beneath fences, or to create furrows for irrigation and planting seeds. You can use it in soil, gravel, bark. It's got an ergonomic handle with strong silicone rubber grips for added comfort and efficiency. So no more sore knees and weeding with your hands.
Ow!
Now, they go to the extent on their website to say that it makes weeding fun. Not sure I can be on board with that. I've never had fun weeding. But I can say that it makes it easier so that you have more time to have fun. That I'll go with. The Skidger goes for $39.99, and you can find out more at HouseSmartsRadio.com.
That's this week's Noodaloo 2.